I don't have enough time. Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Arshad, and in this video I want to talk to you about not having enough time to do things. So, life is so busy, so many demands for your attention, so many things for you to do. It's just hectic, it's crazy. And there's things that you want to do, but you can't do because time just feels like it's not there. What I want to share with you in this video is just something that I do. For example, in my week, I want to make 2 or 3 videos that will add value to you and to other people that are watching. Now, in order for me to do that, I have to actually sit down and think about what I want to say, and I'll make the videos. But there's dead times when I can do that. So, for example, right now, I've come to a school. It's the morning time with my sister because she wants to drop her kids off, and then I'm getting dropped off to a library where I'm going to spend the day working. Now, for me, in these 7, 8, 10 minutes where I'm waiting for her to go and drop the children and come back, that's like real time. So it feels like I don't have time because I'm on my way to the library, but the fact that I'm sitting here just on my phone just checking things, I could use that same time to actually make a video. And that's exactly what I've done. Before this video, I made another video which was on a separate topic, which was something that I was just thinking this morning. And I think that if we get better at using dead time, you'll find that you do more, you achieve more. Now, it doesn't have to be making videos. It could be that you're sitting here and you're thinking about an idea, or you're actually doing something productive outside of just checking your phone mindlessly or going on social media. So try and make use of this dead time. Now, if you have to make videos for yourself, one thing you need to remember, that a lot of the problem is not around making the video specifically. It's about getting over the fear of doing something which is just like without any challenge, in the sense that you're not worried about what's going to happen. Like, I've just thought about this video and I've put the camera on and I've tried to make it for you because I think there's value in it. If I start judging, oh, what if I get it wrong, what if this happens, what if that happens, it will be harder for me to make the video. So rather than focusing on that, focus on the value that you might bring to your audience by communicating with them. So I would really recommend that you look at your day, look at the times when you've got dead time, whether you're on the tube, whether you're driving home, whether you're just sitting in a car waiting for someone, and try and utilize that time, because every minute counts. And over here this just seems like 10 minutes, but if you think about it, when I actually add those 10 minutes up today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes tomorrow, for a year, we're talking about days and days of your time. And how many videos could you produce in those days of time? So I really recommend that. Look at your dead time, make the most of it, and inshallah I'll see you on the next one. Assalamu alaikum.